Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Style and Shine. So guys, as you know through the thumbnail of the video, so I will be doing the comparison of these two body lotions. That is the Mamaearth Vitamin C body lotion and the Mamaearth Upton body lotion. So, but before that, let me tell you about each of the product. So for that you need to watch my video till the end. And guys, if you are new to my channel, then please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, because I do review a lot of skincare related products. Okay guys, so first let me tell you about the Mamaearth. So Mamaearth, basically it's an Indian brand. Mamaearth products are free from harmful chemicals and they are all naturals. And guys, the interesting part is that every time when you buy from them, they will link your order to the website, to a tree that they plant, and the exact geolocation picture will be sent to you. So that's a quite interesting part, that the brand has taken an initiative. So yeah. Okay guys, so first let me tell you about the Mamaearth Vitamin C body lotion, which main ingredients are like vitamin C and honey, and followed by list of ingredients the behind. So as you can see, read out the ingredients. So there are list of ingredients into it. It claims that it provides a deep hydration, non-greasy formula with natural ingredients. So they have also mentioned that direction, like how to you can use it. So you need to take an adequate amount about body lotion on your palm and gently massage the lotion all over your body with the fingertips until it completely absorbs, and repeat whenever the skin feels dry. So this is the best product those who have a dry skin, and this is the best for winter 2021. So they also claim that this container is plastic positive, where they recycle more plastic than they use, and it is curative free and it's made in India. It's very obvious it's a brand from India only. So talking about the vitamin C. So vitamin C is a great antioxidant. It basically nourishes your skin and helps in the making skin very radiant, because due to the damage of sun rays, or due to population, or if you are sitting constantly in front of a laptop and working throughout the day, so this is the best lotion. I think that you can use it. This should not be used on your face, it should be used only on your body. So that's a body lotion, as it says. And also it contains a honey. So guys, as you know, honey is an excellent moisturizing, it has excellent moisturizing properties, and basically what it does is that it locks the moisture in the skin and prevents from drying out your skin. So this is a good for basically for dry skin types people, but it also says that every skin types can use it. So coming to its the price, so it's for 400 ml and its price is for like 399. So guys, if you are thinking of purchasing this for the winter, so I suggest you to purchase it from Mamaearth website. So as if you will get 20% off if you use my coupon code, that is SHINE2021, and you can also purchase it from Amazon, Nykaa, Purple, even from Myntra. So guys, I'll provide all the link in the description, so you can go ahead and check out and you can purchase. So coming to the second, the Mamaearth the Upton body lotion. So this the Mamaearth the body lotion, the main ingredients is like turmeric and cucumber butter. It's for the glowing skin, and it says that it's for all the normal, basically it's for normal skin types. So its key ingredients are turmeric and cucumber the butter, but it also contains a list of ingredients. So as you can read on the screen. So it claims that it's for a deep moisturizing, non-greasy formula with natural ingredients. They have mentioned the direction of using it, and it's for external use only. So you need to apply this lotion on your body, and again this is the same for the 400 ml, and it's the price is for rupees the 399. So guys, so this is another the body lotion. So this it claims that it's for normal skin. So coming to its ingredients part, so the turmeric, as you know, turmeric provides a nice glow and luster to the skin. It not only does that but also brighten up your skin. So it helps in glowing into your skin, as they say. And kokum, what basically it does is that it softens your skins and reduce and restores the elasticity which your skin has been lost. So if your skin is quite loose, so it provides a quite kind of elasticity to your skin. So so normal skin type, they can use it. So I just suggest a normal skin type to use only this product. There are many different the ranges of the body lotion, so you can go ahead and check on their website and you can purchase it as per your skin type. So guys, so the coming to the comparison, so if you want a radiant on your the skin, so you can use a vitamin C the body lotion, and it not only provides the radiant skin but also a deep hydration. And if you want a glowing skin, then go with the Upton body lotion. And if you want a deep the moisturizing, the very obvious, you should go with the Upton body lotion. Then the second point which I found it is like now coming to the texture part. Comparatively, as you can see on the screen, the turmeric and the cocoa butter leaves a bit of white cast and it takes time to like penetrate into your skin, whereas the vitamin C and honey, it gets easily penetrate into your skin without any efforts. So that's the best thing I liked it about. So I am currently using the vitamin C body lotion, which is it provides a quite a good radiant on your skin, and I am just loving it. Another thing which I found it at this all the skin types can use like the vitamin C body lotion, and whereas the Upton, it can be used only by the normal skin types. So guys, this was the review about it. I hope you have all liked about the review and the comparison as well. If you find that any of the comparison has been left by me, you can go ahead and comment in the comment section. I'll be more happier to answer those. And yeah guys, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Please support my channel and please share with your friends and family. This will help my channel to grow a lot. And yeah guys, always stay style and shine.